Did you know that one simple cup of mung bean tea could help your cucumber plants grow faster, greener, and produce more cucumbers than ever before? Sounds unbelievable, right? But many gardeners are now using this easy natural trick to boost weak cucumber vines without expensive fertilizers. If your cucumber plants have yellow leaves, slow growth, or very few flowers, don't worry. This homemade mung bean tea may help give them the energy they need. Here's how to make it. Take 1 cup of mung beans. Now soak them overnight in 1 liter of water and wash them well. The next day, mix the soaked beans lightly and strain the liquid. This nutrient-rich water contains natural proteins, nitrogen, amino acids, and minerals that support healthy vine growth and flowering. Before using, dilute 1 cup of mung bean tea in 3 cups of water. Pour it slowly around the roots of your cucumber plants, not on the leaves. Use this treatment once every 10 to 14 days during the growing season. Many gardeners notice stronger vines, greener leaves, more flowers, and healthier cucumbers after regular use. For even better results, use it early in the morning and make sure your plants get enough sunlight and proper watering. Try this simple, natural cucumber booster at home and watch your garden come alive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy gardening secrets.